welcome to Joshua's tutorial, and we are here now to talk about laws of exponent. So the first law of exponent is any term raised to the first power is the number itself. So we have example here that 7 to the first power is equal to 7. So we have the second laws of exponent, which is any term raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So we have example here that 25 raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So let's talk about the common mistakes of some students. So some of them, when they see x to the power of 0, they say that it is equal to 0. But it is wrong. Any term that have the 0 exponent is equal to 1. So the third law of exponent is any term that has negative exponent will be equal to 1 over x. Or simply have the example 2 to the negative 3 to the power is equal to 1 over 8. So the fourth law exponent is x to the power of m multiplied by x to the power of n is equal to x m plus n. So x to the power of 2 multiplied by x to the power of 5 is equal to x to the power of 7. So the fifth law exponent is dividing law of exponent. So x to the power of m divided by x to the power of n is equal to x minus m minus n. So x to the power of 8 divided by x to the power of 5 is equal to x to the power of 3. So the sixth law of exponent is x m parentheses multiplied by power of n. So we simply multiply their exponent m times n. So we have the example x to the power of 2 multiplied by 4 because it is the exponent after the parentheses, which will become x to the power of 8. So we have the last law of exponent, which is xy multiplied by exponent n is equal to xn yn. So we have the example 5x multiplied by the power of 2 is equal to 25x squared. So the common mistakes of some student is that they forgot to square the numerical coefficients like this. So this is wrong. So we always must know that every term in the parentheses will be squared. So let's have an examples. So first we have the x to the fifth parentheses with the first power. So since we have the first law of exponent that any term that has first power is equal to itself, so we have the answer x to the fifth power. So the second example is x to the sixth power multiplied by y raised to the power of 0, which is equal to 1. So the third example is x multiplied by 1 to the negative 1. So we have fraction which is 1 over xy. So fourth example, let's have divisions, which is 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2, and we must have to subtract its exponent, which will become to x to the 5th power. So we have here the last example, which will become x square y multiplied by 0 exponent. So it will be 1 itself. So that's all. Thank you.